Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Chrome lagging running slow in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first we will go to our Google Chrome and then we will select on this three vertical line and go for extensions and click on manage extensions. So basically if you downloaded a lot of extensions in your Google Chrome, that might be lags or maybe your Google Chrome might be more slow. Remove some of extensions that is not needed for your everyday. So remove them like I'm removing them. So after completing this, create a new tab and go for another time into this three vertical line and go for settings. You can see. So after coming on settings, you can see go for sustain and here is using graphics acceleration when available. Make sure check it and then minimize it, and after that we will go to our search option and search for CMD over here and make sure run it as an administrator. Click yes. After that we will type ipconfig space slash flush to DNS and click enter. And after that, your all DNS will be successfully removed. And after that, we need to type netash space wizard space reset and then click enter. And after that, you successfully reset the Winslot catalog. You can see. So after completing this, close it and go for search option again and search for control panel. You can see control panel. Here is a control panel is opened. And now we will go to view network status and tasks. Click on that. And after that, here you will find internet connections. Click on that. And now we have to go for properties and go for this Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. And after that, click on use the following DNS server address. Now type 8 space 8 space 8 and 8. And alternate DNS server, you need to type 8 space 8 space 4 space 4. And then click OK. And after that, you need to close it, and close it, and go for your Chrome browser. If it's not all okay, it's very good. And here you can see it's becoming more faster than before. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.